Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have another Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. There isn't very much seasonal items in this haul. I think unfortunately most of the winter Christmas items that were supposed to arrive at our Dollar Trees here in Canada, at least the ones that I go to, and I will say that for a while I've only been getting out to one Dollar Tree. There's another 2 or 3 Dollar Trees that I used to go to more often. I just don't get around to those areas as much anymore. So I could have been missing out on a lot of items, but at the Dollar Tree that I've been going to, there really wasn't a whole lot new this year. There were little bits here and there, but I have seen some hauls in the US, and a lot of those things I never seen at my Dollar Tree. So that's unfortunate, but there are still new things coming in, which is always nice to see. A lot of farmhouse items, which for those of you who enjoy the farmhouse decor, that's always a good thing. So I did pick up some items. I thought I would make a video to share them with all of you to show you what I picked up this week at Dollar Tree. So I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting the haul off with some seasonal items. These are a favorite item of mine that Dollar Tree gets seasonally. And they are by Christmas House. You get 3 treat sacks in a bag. And I ended up finding 3 different treat sacks. So the first one here is the snowflake. So they are just plain on the back, and then this print in the front, and then it has the drawstring there at the top. I think these are super cute, whether you're putting a little gift in there or making a DIY using these. I think they are really cute. The second one here I picked up says Merry and Bright. And then the third one that I picked up, which I absolutely love, is the tree. So I'm really glad I was able to pick up a few of these this year. A few more treat bags. This one here is a favorite of mine. It has the red truck with the trees in the back. It says Season's Greetings, and you can see the shape of the bag. It's rounder on the bottom, and then it goes thinner as you're going up. There are 15 bags per package. So this one here I absolutely love. I've only been able to find this one other time. They tend to go super quick. And then another one that I love are these treat bags that you get 10 in a bag, and they're more like a lunch bag, like the paper lunch bag type. And it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And I just love the writing, the font, and then this plaid design at the bottom and the top. Really nice to package up cookies or even little gifts. And then I finally came across this red truck gift box, and I only saw it in this size. So I don't know if there are larger and smaller of this size. Usually that's how it is, but I was only able to find this size. And I think it's so pretty how the lid has the truck, and then when you open it up on the inside, there is the truck as well. So that is really, really pretty. Even just to use as decor, even just putting it up. I think that it is so pretty. And it says Farm Fresh Trees on the side of the truck. And the inside has little trees. The outside does as well. And then just plain on the back. Then I came across some new hand soaps and some air fresheners. And I was excited to see these back. I did take a picture at the beginning of the video of all 3. They had the snowman, they had Santa, and then the tree. But what I wanted to show you is this year, as you can see here in Canada, the items have gone up to $1.50. I don't know if it's every item yet, but I'm seeing more and more going to $1.50. And this is by Christmas House. And last year, because I did buy a few of them last year, I just wanted to show you the size comparison from last year and this year. So you can see that this one is so much larger. The actual amount is 10.7 ounces, so 303 grams. And then this year, they are 6.8 fluid ounces, 200 milliliters. So much smaller and unfortunately more money. So I was shocked to see the difference in size, and I thought I would go ahead and show you in case you didn't have any from last year, and this year these looked a little bit smaller to you. Well, if you thought that, you definitely were right. I then came across this hand soap. It's called Hands On, and it's moisturizing hand soap. There were two different scents. The first one is Eucalyptus Ice, and they are 473 mils. And then the second one I picked up is Winter Citrus and Pine. So I'm excited to give those a try. Yeah, so this one is blue and this one's green. And then some air fresheners. So the first one I came across was this one by Air All Solid Air Freshener. And the scent is Fresh Evergreen, and it's 6 ounces. Really nice packaging. And then the second one is by Snuggle. And these are 198 grams, 7.0 ounces, so bigger than these ones here. And they had a couple different scents. This one is Jolly Sugar Cookies, and then the other one that I picked up is Cozy Evergreen. Well, that was it for seasonal. So now some other fun items I came across. I picked up a couple of these child masks from The Mandalorian Star Wars. And the reason I picked these up is I have a Star Wars fan, and I wanted to make something for him for his room. So I'm gonna think of something to do with these masks, but I thought for $1.25 they were pretty cute, and I thought I could make something fun with them. Then I came across this decor piece, and I don't know, I just wanted to get it because haven't you always just wanted to go cut? So I thought I'd pick it up and just have it in my office by my desk, and it is pretty cute. So it says production, roll, scene, take, director, camera, and date. So some more favorites that I saw at my Dollar Tree. The first here is the LED lantern. I love these. They're so much fun to decorate with. Add to decor, tiered trays. These ones here, the only ones I saw were the black and silver finish. I know they have the solid black as well as black and gold, but I picked up a few more of these. They have the flickering effect, and they're so adorable. And then another favorite, which I was happy to see back at Dollar Tree, the LED hanging lamps. And as far as I can remember, I've only seen these in the silver and gold. I don't know if there is a black. I just took this one out of the box because it's hard to see in the packaging. So there's the little switch at the top. Another favorite for sure, and I am so glad that they brought these back. Some more favorites back at Dollar Tree. The first time around, I only got a few of these, but they did bring them back again, and I wanted to get a couple more sets. These I absolutely love. So they have like a faux wood finish, but they are like the MDF. And there are 3 different sizes. So there's the little one, the medium size, and then this larger size. So I was happy to see these again. And these are, as I said, another favorite. They are the 4x6 photo frames that are shaped like the house. And they do have the little kickstand on the back so you can prop them up or stand them up. Sorry about that glare there. So yeah, I did grab some more of these because these are great to give as a gift or again for making DIYs. Just really, really nice frames. And the last but not least, these are new to me. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree and I've never seen them hauled yet. But I just absolutely love these. Some more decor. You can see they are the boxes. They have the hanging hardware in the back and they look like the faux wood. There actually is the line cut into it, so it looks like shiplap. And I thought these were so nice. One of my new favorites. This one says, "Home is where the heart is." I also picked up "Blessed with love and laughter." And the third one I found is "Friends are life's greatest blessing." And then the last thing I have to show you are these wall shelves, which I thought were pretty neat. Here you can see a picture. I didn't take it out from the wrapping. So it has the cord, or kind of like jute twine, but it's not jute, it's more like a string. And it has the round little hook to hang, and you attach it like that. So that was pretty neat. Even if you don't want it as a shelf and you just want a piece of wood, then you can definitely DIY this or just use it as the wall shelf. I think it's really pretty. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're all doing well. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.